Hey, Mike Foster here. You know what it is. It's another episode of Mike Eats the Street. This time, a place I haven't been to for a long time, but I'm here going to McDonald's to try their double quarter pounder with cheese. That's going to be a mouthful. I just Googled it. It's not healthy for you. It's got lots of calories, lots of sodium, lots of fat, but I'm only going to eat it this once. And I'm going to compare it with In-N-Out and Five Guys. Mike Eats the Street. Okay. Double quarter pounder with cheese and a small French fry, please.
A small fry?
That's correct, thanks.
Alright. Is that all?
Yes.
Alright, so a double cheese and a small fry. It's gonna be $8.21 at the first window.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Double quarter pounder and small fries.
Thank you. I'm taking your picture. You too. Bye-bye. This episode of Mike Eats the Street is McDonald's double quarter pounder with cheese. Let's see how it stacks up. I mean, it's up to them. I mean, I know nothing, but first I'm going to look at it. Pet peeve, cheese isn't completely melted. The onions look kind of big. Well, stop. Don't judge it yet, Mike. Take a bite of it. Here goes nothing. Mike Eats the Street. They toasted the bun, but it's a little burnt. It's sloppy looking. Like, I mean, the onions could be in better shape. The cheese could be melted more. The burger is a little dry. I mean, another shitty burger. Sorry. Oh. That's my look. I vote this one thumbs down too. That's not very good. I can't believe it. How could you screw up a burger? It's just a damn cheeseburger. I just had a Mike Eats the Street with Burger King, and the double Whopper with cheese was terrible. This is what I think of this burger right here. Sweet doo-doo. Let's see if they can redeem themselves with their fries. I know for years people were saying that McDonald's fries were some of the best. Let's see. Thin. Golden. I'm not gonna tell you that those fries aren't bad. What I do probably to save this is maybe put the fries in the burger. The problem is the burger was too dry. It's not juicy. In-N-Out burgers are so juicy, they're crazy. The cheese is melted gorgeous on In-N-Out burgers. Not here. The onions are all over the place. They're not focused. Wasn't a very good. So another disappointing episode of Mike Eats the Street. Fries are okay. I knew McDonald's. But let me know what other kind of Mike Eats the Streets you want me to visit. I know some of you guys put them in the comments on my last few. I'll check them out reluctantly. But hopefully it's some good stuff. And it's not just fast food. I'm going to try all kinds of different things. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, the same name. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
I don't know if she liked that. Now it's time to eat this. It's making a lot of noise. Alrighty. Oh, it's French fry. Don't be critical, Mike. Chew properly. Alright, let's be honest. Be honest, you love that burger. So you secretly love this burger. You do. So let's take another bite in front of everybody. And look at this thing. Look at it. It's burnt. It's burnt. This is terrible. Terrible.